Well, hi everyone. Thank you for joining me here again at Fluid Arts for another video. So today, before we get started, I know you all saw that finished painting from my previous video, but I want to show you once again here in the beginning of this intro so you can see how gorgeous it turned out. And this was the 14 by 14 inch canvas that I did a texture art at the center here, and look how gorgeous it is. I went ahead, I used my modeling paste and then some gold leafing, as you can see. Take a look at that. And it just pops. I love how subtle the colors are, but it's a beautiful painting. Tell me what you guys think about this one. Leave a comment in the comment section below. You can use any orientation. I prefer this way, vertical. So there it is. I love it. I'm happy with it. Tell me what you think. Something completely different. It's like a chaos style blowout, and different than the normal blowouts that I do on my channel. So this is me venturing out. This is so cute. Tell me what you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Leave a comment. Click on the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. And we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you the color I'm using. I don't even know what this is. This is a mixture of a couple of colors I had on my table. And look how beautiful that color is. And you can see the cup. Look at this. It's like leftover paints. So that is going to be my base for today. I won't even try to guess what it is because I really don't know. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to flood the canvas. I'll bring you in once I have it flooded. And we'll take a look at what we have here. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone. So I have gone ahead and flooded my canvas. I did do here titanium white by Artist Loft. This blue is the blue mixture that I had in my cup. I cannot tell you what that is. And let me quickly put my gloves on. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay. So our first color today is Pearl Space Gray by Arteza. And I went ahead and I gave my bottles a good shaking. So we're going to go ahead and start here with the Space Gray. I do want some of that white to come over, so this is why I'm doing it this way. And I do want to branch it out a little bit here. Just like that. Yes. Okay. My next color in there will be, I'm going to add some pearl white on top of that Space Gray. So I'm shaking my bottle. Please forgive me. So some pearl white on top of this gray. Okay. All right. My next color is Pewter by DecoArt. I haven't used this in a while, but this is a beautiful color. It has a hint of blue. It's a very pretty color. I love these colors already. Oof, I squeezed too much. Okay. My next color is Pearl Waterfall Blue by Arteza. Another beautiful color. So Waterfall Blue by Arteza. Okay. Get a napkin. Okay. My next color is Silver by Pebeo. My Pebeo seems to be a little thick. I haven't used it in a while. I hope it works out well. And my last color is Cream by Arteza. Lighten this baby up. Okay, those are my colors. I am working on an 18 by 24 inch canvas. We're gonna blow out those air bubbles. Okay. I am gonna check in here. Seems to, there's something in here. Oh no, just an air bubble. Okay. And we are going to begin. Now I'm going to begin right here. I am excited. Take a look at that composition. That is gorgeous. I love it. Love the subtle colors here. I love the reactions I'm getting. If you see everywhere, there's pops of cells coming through. Love how that white intertwined here with the blue and created those softer shades of blues. I am super happy with this. I hope and pray and cross my fingers it dries out the same way it blew out. I'm going to fix this right here. Beautiful. I love it. Okay, so let me clean my edges. I'll bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Oh, how exciting. Okay, everyone, so take a look at this beautiful, gorgeous piece. I am so happy with this blowout. Check her out. Something completely different, and I am so excited to do a couple more paintings with this orientation and this flow. You can see movement. Love the subtle colors. I love the dark colors created by that pewter. The softness of that white coming through. Tell me what you think. I don't know where to begin. This is so exciting for me. I love when I try something different and it works. So let's start at this corner here. Look at those reactions. Look at that cell reaction. And this is, look at the beautiful cells. One color encasing the other at the edge here of this petal. Love how it kind of branches there. Oh, what a beauty as we head up to the top here. More cell reaction there, more webbing in there. You can see Love the pops of the dark colors throughout, and then the white soft subtleness bringing everything together. Oh, look at that. That looks like a skull or something. Love it. And then here, this middle section, look at this. Wow, boy, oh boy, am I happy. Look at this lacing, some webbing in there. I love the combination, but most of all, look at that. I am super excited with this design. Tell me, guys, do you like this? Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.